All spouted pouches come with different materials and different shapes. Let us take a look at our spout pouches. This one is matte spout pouch, making your bags look elegant. This one is glossy spout pouch, offering your bags a shiny effect. This one is craft paper spout pouch, giving you a natural feeling. This one is transparent spout pouch, enabling you to see clearly the inside contents. This one is aluminum foil spout pouch, nicely providing strong barrier protection. Any other functional features can be added to your spout pouches as you like.